Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can set up Voicemeeter Banana for Discord. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that everything is set up here on the Voicemeeter's end. I already have my microphone selected. You have your gain and you have your control panel for your voice. Now once everything is set up, you want to head over to Discord. You want to click on the user settings, and from here you can just navigate through the application, or the setting called voice and video. From here you have to select the input device, which is going to be our microphone. You want to select the Voicemeeter output. In my case, it's going to be the Voicemeeter out B1, which is banana 1. And then from there, if we check out our microphone, it should work without any problems. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.